You're driving along the road, you need to go somewhere suddenly and you don't know where it is. Hey Siri. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You'll see it comes up with several choices. "50 minutes ETA." There's a go button, but you don't have to press it because it will assume, seeing as you've asked it, that you want to go to Manchester Airport. It will take you there. So now it's navigating to Manchester Airport.